you need help planning your social media posts, then the social media content planning tool will definitely help. I'm Bex from Social Media Executive, and I've developed this tool to help businesses get to grips with their social media and get a plan in place. So you can pick up a copy of this planning tool on my website at socialmediaexec.co.uk. Just pop to the shop and there you'll find it and you can add it to your cart. So once you've got the content planning tool, it's delivered in an Excel spreadsheet, or you can use it on your Google spreadsheets as well. You can also print it out if you would prefer a printable format rather than a digital format too. So along the bottom, you've got these tabs, okay? So the first tab is how to use your content planner. So this will remind you what you do with it. The first bit you want to look at is your monthly content plan. So this will be blank when you open up yours. I've just filled this in as an example. But here you fill in your objectives. So what are your business objectives that you want to achieve on social media? You then select which platform you post on. This will automatically fill in these columns here and tell you how frequently you should be posting on social media. You can then add your own bespoke social media hashtags that you regularly use to remind you to add them to your posts. Here, you basically make a list of everything that you want going out each month. So it might be every month you might want to add client reviews. You might want to promote an event you have running every month. You might want to promote your products and services. You might want to share some tips and advice. So again, you map out every month the type of content you want going out, how frequently you want it going out, and which platform it's going across. And you can click these drop down arrows to select which platform it's going on. There's also a newsletter and a website one as well, if you want the content going out on that as well. And the final column is to state which of these areas is hitting your objectives. So for example, I might get a review from a client, I might post about a review, and that's hitting objective 2 to attract more in-house training, because that's one of my objectives. You then have a spreadsheet for each month. So in January, for example, I will post about wins in my Social Flock group. So I'll just put a line and an idea of a different post each day that I want going out on my social media. The weekends are grayed out, but you can fill those in as well, because obviously we post on a weekend as well. And the red NB area is any events that might be coming up, okay? So it might be things that are coming up, like I've got a LinkedIn workshop coming up. So I put that in knowing that 2 weeks before I need to promote that event. So again, you just put an idea of what you want to post and when on each of these months of the year. And again, you can print these out if you wish to. There's some notes at the bottom if you want to put notes on there. There's then an area where you can put your successful posts in. So posts that have done really well, just pop a link and pop it in here. So you can go back and visit those posts that are doing really well and repurpose them for the future. So you can fill this in here. And then the final section is content support. Here you will find loads of links to lots of content support, advice and guidance when it comes to your social media. So there's loads of free information there available for you as well. So that's how you use the social media content planner. Again, just pop to the website where you will find a bit more information. And please do feel free to ask me any questions. You can follow me on social media at Social Media Executive Ltd.